ready to transform your Squarespace site from bland to breathtaking by designing unique sections in Canva. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the seamless process of creating custom website sections and graphics in Canva and effortlessly integrating them into your Squarespace site, giving you ultimate creative freedom to personalize your online presence. First things first, head over to Canva.com once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar, type in website, and select the website option. This will open up a canvas perfectly sized for web design elements. Now, let's explore the vast library of templates. You can scroll through a multitude of predesigned website sections, from hero banners and testimonials to service breakdowns and contact forms. Find one that sparks your inspiration or matches your brand aesthetic. Once you've selected a template, it's time to make it yours. Click on any element, text, images, shapes, or backgrounds to edit. You can change fonts, upload your own images, swap out colors to match your brand palette, and resize elements to fit your vision. Don't be afraid to experiment. Canva's extensive elements library is your playground for adding unique touches. Search for icons, illustrations, or even animated graphics to inject personality into your section. Simply drag and drop them onto your canvas. Once your design is perfect, it's time to download it. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Then select Download for optimal web use. Choose PNG or JPG as your file type. Ensure you select the correct size if applicable. Now, let's bring your creation to Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you want to add your custom section. Click on the content block where you'd like to insert your graphic or add a new image block. Simply drag and drop your downloaded Canva graphic into the image block. Voila! Your custom designed section is now seamlessly integrated into your Squarespace website, looking professional and perfectly aligned with your brand. By combining the design power of Canva with the ease of Squarespace, you've unlocked a whole new level of creativity for your website. Happy designing!